Yeah, so today we are going to talk about support and resistance. This is the commonest way of trading and it's actually making people millionaires. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into it. So if you want to draw support and resistance on the price chart, make use of the most recent two or more candles that are linear with each other, either bottom or top. Then you draw your rectangle. I'm pretty sure you can find it in the tools section. Either you are using MT4, MT5 or trading view. Because support means there is a rejection and the buyers have gained momentum against the sellers and they are holding strong. And vice versa. But remember, if your support is broken, then it becomes resistance and vice versa. So basically your support is your flow and your resistance is your rule. But also remember, do not trade any of these zones before the market breaks and retests. And also manage your risk because there is no analysis that's 100%. Make do of tools like stop loss and take profit where necessary.